In the presence of the finest, seems like there's no effort. I try my best, the way I'm shining, feel like I'm an expert. I got the heart and now I'm flying for a life that's better. I want the cheese, the mozzarella, yes I want the cheddar. I'm so fly, I don't gotta brushing up my feathers. I'm so high that I'm standing on top of weather. And what I mean is about my self-esteem. I just hold myself between good thoughts, what you need, want rocks and the beats. I'm playing in my...
What is up, YouTube? This your boy Fade. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Barber Department. In this video, I will be showcasing how I do a medium drop fade with the crop top. Please, if you haven't yet, subscribe to my channel, give it a like, share. Also, turn on the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload one of my videos. Thank you.
X-slap this.
I want to explain a little bit what I've been doing throughout the video. If you can see, I'm doing a C motion, also known as scoop out motion, because I want to create soft lines, not hard lines. It's just going to make my job way easier, and I'm not going to be taking a long time taking out weight lines. Using the clipper over comb technique can be very effective when used correctly. At the right angle, you'll be able to remove the right amount of weight on the side of the head, but if you dig too much with the comb, you might put a dent into it. So always remember, keep the comb away from the scalp. In every one of my cuts, I gotta make sure that the section with the lever open is always on point. Just picture a house having a bad foundation. The concrete is gonna start cracking if you don't do it correctly. And also the same applies to the haircut. If the base of the haircut is not done correctly, you might have a haircut that's gonna be thrown off or it's not gonna look right. A really good tip, always keep the blade flat to the head. It might seem like I'm scraping it, but my blade is flat on the head. As you can see, we're doing a little bit of texture here and there, opening and closing my blade, making sure that all the dark spots are softened up.
X-slap this. Don't forget to cross-check your C-cup section. Grab the comb the hair down,
go with the trimmer as many times as needed, as long as there's no hair sticking down. Like the video says, it is a texture crop, so I'm not going to be really accurate with my shear work on top. I am doing sections of about 1.5 inches wide, and I'm cutting a lot of weight off because my client doesn't want a really long texture crop top. But the most effective way to get a really nice texture is to point cut and finish it off with some cross cutting.
X-slap this.
If you made it this far to the end of the video, thank you for watching. Here is the end result. Really nice texture on top. Let me know what you guys think, if it was hot or not. Also, please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, give it a like, share. I appreciate it. Thank you.